Today we're working on M. M, it's another dive down and swim, but this time you have 2 bumps to do instead of just 1 like the N. So for your capital, we're going to start by going down, frog hop, keep your pencil on the paper then. Diagonal, back up, and down. So after the frog hop, pencil stays on the paper. Down, up, down, straight down, frog hop, diagonal, bump that line, up, bump, down. Okay? Now for your lowercase m, start on the top. You're going to dive to the bottom of the pool. Swim up, over, down, up, over, down. Take your time. Dive, swim up, over, down, up, over, down. Again, take your time. Swim, dive down, up, over, down, up, over, down. Ooh, that might have been my best one. Good job. Take your time. Okay, we know what to do here. We are looking at each column and adding the letters. The first 2 are magic E words. The E is making the vowel say its name. So this is saying aim. But the E is silent, right? Just put a line here because it doesn't talk. And then this is I'm. The E doesn't say anything. So make some new words. Adding the letters. Taking your time. And then when you're done with a column, read those words. Same, game, came. Now add I'm. Make some new words. Here you're adding im, I-M. And the last one you're adding O says ooh.